Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a calendar script. The idea of this is that we'd have a menu that we'd create in the script that allows us to generate the calendar and also an option to delete it. Have them right now just to kind of clear up the whole sheet, get back to our starting spot as we continue to program this. So let's hit the generate calendar button, and what's going to do is create a main page which is going to give you 12 months out of the year, and then it's also going to create a new tab for each month. The tabs are going to pull from the first page, and it's going to see right here, it's pulling from sheet 1, cell B4. So if we go to sheet 1, we can see that we have the year that's written in here. The script basically tells the script inputs the year into cell A1, and then it manually writes all of these days under Sunday through Saturday. It's not completed yet. We've only gone all the way till about April at this time, but if we go to January, which is complete, it's pulling from that cell. We're skipping to row 4 to kind of give us a nice blank if we want to write this like due dates or tasks in this empty cell under the date. That's open and kind of flexible for your use. Let's take a look at the script and see how it works. The first stage is that it goes through and it writes the year day in A1. Right here in A1. What is B1? Oh, this is just, it's writing the text in here, just to let you know. And then it goes through and it writes a new tab for every month of the year. So it's going to create a new tab, and it's going to manually write in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. And then down here it gets a little bit more complicated. In the first sheet, sheet 1, it's going to grab this range, B4, and then it's going to write in this code. So that's what's happening right here. And it continues to do that line by line until we get a complete 31 days, etc. for January, February, and March. Now I'm getting these formulas by using the Google Calendar that you could just use instead. I just was doing the script just for educational purposes. So basically what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the formulas and I'm writing them right in here and setting the formulas for each of those cells. So it is a lengthy process. Currently we've only completed up to about April. We still have a few lines left to do, and then we have a few more months to complete. The next stage is to, by month, create a variable, and it'll be called January sheet or February sheet, March sheet, etc. And then you write an equals ss.get sheet by name, and then write the name of the sheet, which will refer to this tab. And then after you do that, just go through and look at sheet 1 and what the number is that you're looking for. So the range usually, so for like January, is B4. So this is the B4 value. And then A2 is going to refer to, if you go to January, A2. So we want A2 to equal B4 on sheet 1. So you just repeat this process until you get all the way through each month. And again, we are only through March on this one. We do have the delete function and the open function, so we can actually click this, click delete, and we can delete all the tabs, and then we'll just have to do Control A to select everything and then hit delete, and we can get back to our main sheet. So I'm going to include a link to the Google Doc, which will have the code currently as is. Again, check out the annual calendar by Google as a template. And then let me know if you have any questions, concerns. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.